What do you do when that man you love keeps crossing the same line over and over again? The first time he cheated, it shattered your heart. But the second, the third, and now it is starting to look like your pains does not even matter to him. Today I am talking to that woman who is exhausted, heartbroken, but still holding up. How do you keep holding up when he keeps letting you down? Welcome to Relationship Revelations. On this channel, we talk real issues in relationships, especially the ones that no one is talking about. If you're ready for the truth, clarity, and healing, hit that subscribe button and be a part of this amazing family. When a man cheats repeatedly and still says, "I love you," ask yourself, what kind of love disrespects and betrays you? You did not expect it to happen again, right? But it did. The truth is, when betrayal happens once, it breaks you, right? But when it happens repeatedly, it changes you. You start questioning your worth, your look, your value as a wife, a woman, and even your faith. The reason why this pain cuts so deep is not just because of the cheating, but the lies, the fake apologies, the empty promises that follows. Let me share a quick story with you. A woman I once spoke with found that her husband had cheated 3 good times. The first time she forgave him. The second time she gave him a second chance again. By the third time, she wasn't even surprised. That is because the hurt now feels more real and normal to her. Repeated betrayal does not just break your trust, it breaks your spirit. But you deserve better than surviving on crumbs of affection. When a man cheats more than once, it is not a mistake, my dear. It's pattern. It's a choice. It is not your job to discipline someone who keeps breaking you. Understand this. It is not your fault, but it's your responsibility to decide what you allow moving forward. Now, I know someone will say pray, right? But the truth is, as much as prayers can fix him, but if he refuses to change, grow, or seek help, no amount of love can heal what he is not willing to address. Now, these are few reasons why men cheat. 1. He knows you will forgive him. Every time you took him back without consequences, he learned a dangerous lesson. 2. He lacks accountability. Yes, a man who cheats repeatedly often refuses to take ownership. He will say things like, "You don't give me attention," or "You have changed." 3. He is emotionally immature or entitled. Yes, he thinks his needs justify betrayal. 4. He has no real intentions to change. A changed man does not need convincing, right? He will show it. What to do now if you are in this situation? Stop trying to fix him. If he refuses to seek help from God, change, grow, or seek help, no amount of love can heal that man. The next thing you need to do is to protect your peace. Sometimes peace comes at the cost of people, and that's okay. Set emotional boundaries and then surround yourself with people. The next one is let him feel the weight of his actions. Stop rushing to reconcile. Let him sit in the discomfort of what he has done. The next one is do not let loneliness make you settle for less. I know the fear of being alone always sets in, right? But loneliness is better than repeated betrayal. God can do more with your brokenness than a fake version of being together with a man. The next one is reconnect with who you were before you met him. Before the lies, before the tears, before the drama, who were you? Encourage rediscover your passion, your peace, your purpose. And the next one is seek counseling or therapy. I know it can be hard, right? But don't try to fight this battle alone. You need tools, not just tears. You need faith-based or professional counseling that can help you see these patterns and break them. The next one is know when to walk away. Women, this is so important. I don't even know how to emphasize this. Staying in a toxic cycle is not loyalty. It is self-betrayal. Sometimes God allows things to fall apart so that we can finally be set free. Signs that this man will not change: when he does not apologize sincerely, when he gets defensive or blames you, when he won't go for counseling with you, when he hides his phone or his social media accounts from you, when he tells you you are overreacting, when he has cheated multiple times with different women. Listen dear, do not let love blind you to the reality. If his actions haven't changed, trust me, he hasn't changed too. You do not have to wait for him to change to start your healing. You can choose today. Forgiveness is for your peace, not for his comfort. Choosing to walk away from pains does not make you weak. It means you finally love yourself enough to stop bleeding for someone who won't stop cutting you. Like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more relationship tips, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.